In this video, I'll show you how to find dividend stocks on the Webull app, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To find dividend stocks on Webull app, open the Webull app and log in to your account. Tap on the Markets tab, located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the Markets page, tap the search icon in the upper right corner. At the top of the search page, tap on Screeners. Then select Create New Screener. This will allow you to filter stocks based on specific criteria. Scroll through the available filters and look for Price. If you want to set a maximum stock price, tap on Price, enter the maximum amount in the box on the right side, and then tap Done. Next, scroll down and find the Dividend Yield filter. Tap on it, and enter the minimum dividend yield percentage you're looking for in the box provided. After entering your criteria, the app will automatically update the list of stocks that match your filters. You can tap on the dividend yield column at the top of the results to sort the stocks from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. To see more details about a specific stock, tap on its name from the list, and it will open the stock's profile page where you can view dividend information and other data. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.